Today we are going to be talking about the different properties of water and how they are related to the real world. First, we are going to talk about how water is polar. When a molecule is polar, it means that one part of the molecule has a positive charge while the other part of the molecule has a negative charge. Because each water molecule is polar, the water molecules become like individual magnets. Due to the polarity, the water molecules are attracted to one another. This creates a hydrogen bond. Now we are going to be talking about cohesion and adhesion. Adhesion is when water sticks to another type of substance. An example is like water being spilled onto a table. Water will rest on the surface it touches. Adhesion forces are important because we will not be able to get our food from plants. The water will not help the plants grow and thrive with new upcoming vegetables. Now we will start talking about cohesion. Cohesion is when water attaches to other water. Cohesion has the positive and negative charges of hydrogen atoms that are attracted to each other so they stick in clumps or as water droplets. An example is like when it's raining. When it rains, it creates water droplets. These droplets do not turn into mist because of the cohesive and hydrogen bonds holding the water molecules together. Cohesion is important to life because if water didn't stick to water, then our bodies would not look normal since we are 60% water. Maybe a portion of our body would look big and our other half really skinny. Who knows? Next, the capillary action is when water goes up a tree. It involves both adhesion and cohesion. This involves cohesion because of water sticking to itself inside the tree. This is adhesion because of the water touching the tree's surface on the inside, then evenly giving water to each branch of the tree. In other words, think of this as water going up a tube.
Surface tension is a property of the surface of a liquid that allows it to resist an external force. This interesting insect can freely run along the surface of a quiet pool. Its tiny mass and the geometry of its legs allow it to be supported by the high surface tension of water. For example, water isn't spilling over the sides of the graduated cylinder because of the surface tension that's holding it inside. I'll be describing the importance of surface tension to our life. Without most of us never paying attention to it, surface tension is always acting around us, everywhere and all the time, affecting our daily lives in a number of ways. In fact, it is surface tension which keeps the billions of our cells in our body functional, ensuring the proper organizations of their biomolecules, proteins, lipids, and nucleic acids into membranes and various types of cellular organelles. Surface tension comes from strong interactions between water molecules called hydrogen bonding. This is the works cited. Thank you for listening.